Are you looking for some great treadmill desks for your home or office? If so, look no further. This page has the 5 best treadmill desks money can buy in a side-by-side comparison of their best features. Are you interested in making moves to benefit your health, but feel like you only have time to crunch in a fad diet that will end up being a waste of money? What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best under-desk treadmills in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices like the video comment. And don't forget to subscribe now. Let's get started. Number 1. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. Innovative 2-in-1 folding treadmill. Compared to ordinary treadmill, our 2-in-1 Superfit treadmill has 2 modes to meet your different sports needs. When the riser is folded, it can be used as a jogging machine at a speed of 0. 6 mph to 5 mph. When the handrail is raised, the running speed is 0. 6 mph 7. 5 mph, and the speed unit could be switched between mile and km and app. Powerful 2. 25 HP with a powerful and ultra-quiet 25 HP motor. This Superfit treadmill allows you to walk or run without disturbing others, making it ideal for home and office use. With a sturdy and durable steel frame and multi-layer shield design, it's shock-absorbing and noise-reducing, making your running quieter, safer, and more comfortable. Non-slip running belt and multifunctional LED display. The 5-layer non-slip texture running belt features a spacious running area, providing an effective and safe cushion for your knees and muscles for a superior running experience. The LED display clearly shows time, speed, distance, and calories, monitoring your progress in real time and keeping your movement data at a glance. With Bluetooth speaker, phone holder, remote control, and app control, connect the Superfit treadmill to your phone through Bluetooth so you can play music while you are exercising. You can also use the phone holder to watch videos or chat with friends. The remote control is convenient to adjust the speed of movement and stop instantly. Smart app control is perfect to record exercise data and running with other users. Number 2. Mertisol 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. Innovative 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. Our 2-in-1 treadmill has 2 modes to meet your different sports needs. When the armrest is folded, it can be used as a jogging machine at a speed of 0.6 to 5 miles. When the armrest is raised, the running speed is 0.6 7. 5 miles, and you can run to reach your fitness goal. Person running powerful 2. 25 HP with a powerful and ultra-quiet 25 HP motor. This treadmill allows you to walk or run without disturbing others, making it ideal for home and office use. The powerful motor also allows the treadmill to quickly change between 0.6 miles and 7.5 miles. Person running non-slip running belt and multifunctional LED display. The 5-layer non-slip texture running belt features a spacious running area, providing an effective and safe cushion for your knees and muscles for a superior running experience. The LED display clearly shows time, speed, distance, and calories, monitoring your progress in real time and keeping your movement data at a glance. Person running with Fitcho Lite app. Phone holder and remote control. Connect the treadmill to your phone through Fitcho Lite app so you can monitor your fitness data while you are exercising. You can also use the phone holder to watch videos or listen to music. The remote control is convenient to adjust the speed of movement and stop instantly, equipped with a safety key to shut down immediately in an emergency to protect your safety. Number 3. Rhythm Fun Treadmill Under. Safety, large wide running belt. Compared with other treadmills' thin running belt, Rhythm Fun Under Desk Treadmill has the 18=45 cm large wide running belt. With the better comfort level, smooth, balance, and stable feeling, and solid design. It is so big enough to walk or moderately paced running safely on, relaxed, freely. Suitable for all people within 220 pounds, no worry to enjoy the fun of walking or slow running indoor. Compact, convenient, space-saving, and portable. Super 2.3 thickness, 78 pounds lightweight, only covering less 0.05 too small space in your living room or office. Compact, foldable, and wheels under the treadmill make it easier to put away after use. Lightweight, portable, and very low and slim profile, making it easy to store it in a closet, under a bed, sofa, or standing desk, which you can work and walk at the same time. A great walker for home walking or jogging fitness exercise. Shock absorption and noise reduction design. Strong 1.5 horsepower electric motorized DC power motor, silicon structure running board. 7-level soft large running belt. Durable steel frame make up the Rhythm Fun Treadmill's air shock reduction and noise reduction system. Less noise and safety make your running quiet and comfortable. No matter beginners or seniors. Large LED display, smart remote, smart workout app. Rhythm Fun Standing Desk Treadmill has the very modern looking with large, clear, and simple display. Number 4. Evo Foldable Treadmills for Home. A wider and longer path than other treadmills with extra running freedom. Evo Fold 1 treadmill comes with a 16.5x 45.7 running surface. You have extra room for your elbow and bigger strides so that you can run more freely with nothing holding you back. Compact design for easier storage. Say goodbye to your old traditional treadmill take up space. Our Fold 1 folding treadmill can be easily folded up to a 5.5, 2x7, 8x 5.1 size and stored under your couch. A powerful motor offers higher API. 2.5 peak HP motor provides speeds up to 7.5 mph, which guarantees the stable operation of the machine with 260 pounds weight capacity. Our anti-slip and cushion belt gives extra support to your knees and joints. Built-in 12 HIIT training programs helps burn calories faster. There are 12 preset training programs available for you to choose, and these easy-to-use exercise programs help to improve your cardiovascular fitness, boost your health, and burn fat. LCD display for clear views of your workout data. Fold 1 records and displays the distance, duration, pace, and calories burned of your run in real time. The handlebar make your session a safety experience. Number 5. Goplus 2, 25 HP electric folding treadmill. Powerful quiet motor and adjustable speed. The powerful 2.25 HP motor provides you with comfortable exercise experience, which is very suitable for home and office use. In addition, the speed can be adjusted freely from 1 km/h to 12.8 km/h, and the speed unit could be switched between mile and km and app. You can also make quick speed adjustments directly through the 5 km/h and 8 km/h button on the display. Widened running belt and shock reduction foot mat. Our 5-layer wide and shock-absorbing running belt can provide you with a spacious running area to help reduce the damage to knees and ankles. In addition, the rubber foot pads on the bottom can effectively reduce vibration, so you can enjoy sports without disturbing neighbors or family members. Extra large LED touch display and safety guarantee. The large LED display provides clear data, and you can monitor speed, time, steps, distance, and calories in real time. There are also safety issues that should be of greatest concern during exercise. In order to ensure the safety of sports enthusiasts, we have equipped you with a safety lock, Bluetooth speaker and phone holder. By connecting your electronic device to the SuperFit treadmill via Bluetooth, you can enjoy music while exercising. In addition, there is a phone holder on the display for you to put your phone on and watch your favorite TV series or movies. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you more information or if you want to know product price, do check of my description box for any kind of problem. Comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.